Meaning of diss.
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 Diss. The term diss is a shortened version of the word disrespect. It is commonly used in informal English as a slang term to describe an insult, criticism or negative comment directed at someone. When someone disses someone else, they are showing disrespect towards them and undermining their worth or abilities. This can lead to hurt feelings, damaged relationships, and diminished self-confidence for the person being dissed. It is important to be mindful of the impact our words have on others and to avoid using disrespectful language or behavior.